out of Hanford. Longtime Division 7 Summit Racing Series, presented by New Tire competitor, Traction.
Very interesting.
Late riding one of the Quants family machine. Chris and Kelly, see how they advance now. At the finish line. Chase rides around him, 683 by 9 thousandths of a second. 97 10 thousandths at the stripe. On a pro stock motorcycle, 190. Over this team in the offseason, and he and Elwood have really built up a strong program. Don't sleep on Kelly Klotz at 602 Steam Fitters Machine. Ray Davis, 6.869, 197 miles per hour. Next pair plugging in. Teammates, Gianna Evaristo and Matt Smith.
Talking with Angie Smith up here in the media center last night after her #1 qualifier, and she said that this is one that intrigues her. This is a matchup, you know, I'd love to know what the Drag Race Crack Bonanza and playing Crayon. Better than Matt's at the moment, just think so. Gianna Evaristo talked about struggling during qualifying. Number 11. And I think both those numbers are a little deceiving.
And Matt Smith rides by. Gianna's going to be frustrated with that. 682.5 is the run. Who knows? The indication is look at Richard's looking back like it's Steve coming. They left together, both 020. They both left strong, and then both by.
Crazy.
Capable of running, although he struggled with it. He's usually pretty good on the tree. That's heartbreaking for Mark Ingerson. Mark Ingerson is double 03 red to go 696.8 in Sean Hall's American Rebel Light Machine.
Almost earned lane choice.
Somebody here, he's at the best bike he's had in probably 3 years at this point. Boy, that is way closer than I want to be able to wall at 196 miles per hour. 6.8.
About 8 inches shy of the
Stop. There's not been a session all weekend where Angie Smith did not have the straight 678.4, 200 miles per hour. And hey, guess what? Angie Smith's got the quickest motor.
camera, you know, down there trying to keep.
We've been here 3 times. Gino is really having to chase that motorcycle around. Engage goes 679.0, 200 miles per hour. Lake effects here in Chicago and right on Mississippi. Those tools you can use. Rounds. Ryan wants to be the one that holds the ball. Has to lift.
What is happening?
Ryan Ayler is 700ths red. And Braden Davis, reaction times.
Almost in it.
Here's Matt, here we go. He's gonna give it up. For the first time, NHRA will not win the Route 66 Nationals. Oh, Matt, hang on. Wow. Matt Smith Racing for you on the right. The number one qualifier this week at Angie. Charging strong and into the final round is Angie Smith. 677 for 200 miles per hour. Johnstone Supply Powertrain, Ford Forestry Machine. Matt Smith, Denzo, Outlaw Light Beer, Stockton, BP Redline. The all-time greats in NHRA history. Top 75 competitors. That in first. Mike shut off. It is 682 with a 3 for Matt. It'll be Matt and Angie. Mr. and Mrs. Smith for the Wally at the Route 6. Glory is still blowing on the top end across the track down there. I don't know. It's quite as bad as it was earlier today. Final round of Pro Stock Motorcycle. Ready to go. Mr. and Mrs. Smith, all in Chicago. Miles per hour.
It looked like she'd already stayed.
Rushing. Angie and Michael Ray having a conversation. 7 times this weekend, Angie